Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Beauty by Megan. If you're new here, hi, I'm Megan. So yeah, I'm not a professional makeup artist, but I do enjoy makeup, obviously. I hope everyone's staying safe and active and practicing social distancing because I am ready to start being social again, and I'm not a very social person to begin with, but gosh, has this quarantine made me realize that I need to get out more because now not having the option to go do something, I'm bored. I'm so bored. Yeah, I'll be glad when all that stuff is going. But in the meantime, I am actually trying to use all my palettes one a day. I technically used the Zulu palette yesterday. I did a super cute look with it, and I was filming it. My SD card messed up. And then, of course, my batteries died. So, I had to go buy a new SD card, make sure my batteries are nice and charged. So today, I'm not doing the same look as I did yesterday, but if you want to see it, I'll link my Instagram down below. But I am going to use this, oh, it was upside down. I'm going to use, not the purple, this one. I'm going to use this shade right here today. I don't know why, I think it's a beautiful shade. It's a beautiful palette. They make actually very good pigmented palettes, and they're very affordable. So yeah, if you guys like these videos, subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, leave some comments down below, and oh, excuse me. Oh, it tastes like ramen. So I'm actually just going to zoom right through this part because it's just the eyes after I prime them. I need new people to talk to. I'm bored. Like, seriously, what is everyone doing to keep themselves busy during this quarantine? Because I have cleaned my house, except for my son's room. That's the only room left that I have to deep clean. I just want a super clean edge, so I'm going to use tape to help with that. Ignore the huge zit that I have on my cheek. It's been there for like 2 weeks, and it finally came to a head, and I couldn't stand it no more, and I popped it. Which is a big no-no, I know, but I couldn't handle it no more. Alright, you guys, so that is the complete look using the Zulu palette. I'm getting very much sunset vibes out of this, and I really like it. That shade is super pretty, duochrome. It's like a pink and gold, and it has to be my favorite shade out of that whole palette other than the green shimmer in it. Yeah, it was a super simple look. I keep saying, why do I keep doing that? I'm gonna forget how to, there it is again. I'm gonna forget how to socialize after this quarantine, obviously, because I can't even talk without saying 100 times to a camera. So yeah, you guys, this is it. I really like this look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I apologize, I cannot talk very well and do my makeup. Maybe the next one I'll sit down and actually try to explain what I'm doing. And I won't say that word as much. So yeah, if you guys like these videos, subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up. I promise I'm going to start getting better at being on schedule. And I'm trying not to say that word again. What's wrong with me? Okay. Well, I'm going to end this now before I say it again. And yeah, so you guys have a great day. Stay healthy, stay safe. And that's pretty much it. Yeah. See you guys in my next video. Bye.